Pictory AI Review, an AI tool designed to save you from spending unnecessary hours creating content. All you need to do is paste in a script, blog, or article, and you'll get a well-edited video in return, complete with subtitles, synchronized voiceovers, limited B-roll footage, and plenty of other features which I'll showcase in this video. Starting on their website, they cater to all kinds of people and roles, like content creators, digital marketers, coaches, marketing agencies, and the list goes on. The features are practically endless, allowing you to create videos for almost every social media platform. And they're constantly improving and releasing new content for everyone to use. Plus, you can get a 14-day free trial with access to all their paid features, so you can test out Pictory for yourself. You can access that 14-day free trial through the link in the description. And as a bonus, I'll share a special code later in the video, which gives you a huge discount on any of their plans. Now let's talk about Pictory's performance and ease of use. It all starts on their dashboard, where you'll find 4 main options: script to video, blog to video, edit videos with AI, and visuals to video. These all follow a similar editing process. You just follow the prompts. For this example, let's go with script to video. Give your video a name, paste in your script, and click proceed. After a bit of rendering and scene creation, you've got a video ready in just a minute. But it doesn't stop there. You can tweak everything in the editing space, change the text, backgrounds, add your own voiceover or music, or pick from thousands of tracks in their audio library. You can even choose a high-quality AI voice to narrate your video, and it'll automatically sync with your subtitles. Plus, you can create videos in different formats for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all in high quality. In my opinion, Pictory's biggest strength is that you don't need any editing experience to use it. Everything is intuitive and straightforward with clear instructions. Most of the work is done for you with just a click. So even if you've never edited a video before, you can still create high-quality content with Pictory. Here's an example of a project I made in just 5 minutes.
London, United Kingdom. London is a dynamic and historic city that seamlessly...
Originally, you could use Pictory without a plan, but with some limitations, like watermarks on video downloads and restricted access to their B-roll and audio library. Over time, they've shifted to a 14-day free trial model, and once that trial ends, you'll need to choose a plan. Before I dive into the plans, as promised, I'll share that special code, which can save you a lot of money on any plan. Let's say you're interested in the starter plan. You'd click Buy Now, then enter the code DZ44 in the coupon box and click Apply. Once the code is applied, you'll see a significant discount. For example, the starter plan billed annually usually costs $228, but with the code, it drops to $182 per year. And the best part? This code works for any plan, so you can save big no matter which one you choose. Now let's break down the plans and what they offer. First up, the starter plan. This is perfect for beginners, giving you multilingual standard AI voices, unlimited access to over 2 million royalty-free videos from Storyblocks and basic AI features. Next, the professional plan. This is ideal for creators who need professional quality results. It's $39 per month, and you can adjust the video minutes per month, though that will affect the price. With this plan, you get everything in the starter plan, plus 120 minutes per month of hyper-realistic AI voices from 11 labs, which are incredibly high-quality, unlimited access to over 10 million premium royalty-free videos from Getty Images, and advanced AI features like automatic voiceover syncing and video summarization for long videos. Then there's the Teams plan, great for collaborative video creation. It's $99 per month, and you can adjust the video minutes and team size, up to 5 members. This plan includes everything in the professional plan. 240 minutes per month of hyper-realistic AI voices, collaboration tools, and API access. Finally, the enterprise plan. This is for scaling video production across multiple teams. You'll need to contact Pictory directly to customize this plan, but it includes everything in the Teams plan, plus onboarding training, video consulting, priority support, and a dedicated account manager. If I had to recommend a plan, I'd go with the professional plan which is the one I've been using for years, and I have no regrets. So to wrap things up, is Pictory worth your time? Without a doubt, yes. From its ease of use to the time-saving features, to the fact that you don't need any editing experience, it's a game changer. The pricing is affordable, especially with the discount code, and Pictory keeps improving, adding new features to help you succeed in any niche. It's almost a no-brainer, but don't just take my word for it. Try it yourself through my link. You'll get that 14-day free trial with full access to all the paid features. Let me know what you think of Pictory in the comments. And thanks for watching my review. I hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.